Hello everyone, I am Golden Yashwini. I am here to present centralization and decentralization. So, in centralization and decentralization, on completion of this video, students will be able to explain why centralization and decentralization is necessary, and they can also explain what is meant by decentralization in organization, as well as explain what is decentralization in organizational structure, etc. Okay, first of all, we need to know what is meant by centralization, right? And decentralization, it's nothing but it refers the location of decision making authority in an organization. Okay, so centralization and decentralization refer the location of decision making authority in an organization. Okay, now we can see centralization. Yeah, so under the centralization, the important and the key decision are taken by the top management, and the other levels are into implementation as per the direction of top level. Okay, so on the other hand, decentralization is the systematic delegation of authority. Yeah, so it is a systematic delegation of authority at all the levels of management. So in all the organization, so the companies with the centralized structure concentrate their authority in upper levels of management. For example, the military has a centralized organization structure. An example of a decentralization organization is the fast food franchise chain. So each franchise restaurant in the chain is responsible for its own operation. Yes, then in an organization, we already know the location of the decision making is a centralized or decentralized. We can say based on the decision making, right? So centralization means that the authority of the most decision is concentrated at the top of the managerial hierarchy, whereas the centralization requires such authority to be dispersed by extension and delegation through all the levels of management. Actually, these terms denote the different degrees of delegation of authority. Okay, according to the Lewis, according to the Lewis, A. Allen has defined both the terms as centralization is a systematic and consistent reservation of authority at the central points within an organization. Okay, so decentralization applies to the systematic delegation of authority in an organization wide context. Okay, but then the second figure is decentralization. Decentralization means centralization and decentralization are opposite but related to each other, because every organization contains both features. Okay, there cannot be absolute centralization and absolute decentralization in practice. Okay, so in case of absolute centralization, each and every decision is to be taken by top level management, but practically it is not possible. Okay, some decentralization exists in all organization. Okay, in case of having absolute decentralization, there is no control over the activities of the subordinates, so which is also not practicable. Okay, therefore an effective decentralization of authority requires a proper balance between dispersal of authority among lower level and adequate control over them. Then centralization and decentralization. So centralization is the process when decision making is concentrated in a few hands. Centralized organization effectively rely on one person to make a decision and give direction to the company. In centralized organization, all decisions of the lower level are subject to the security and approval of the higher level. Okay, then decentralization may lead to more creative, innovative, and responsive programs by allowing local experimentation. Okay, it can also increase political stability and national unity by allowing citizens to better control public programs at the local. Okay. Then the quiz questions are, what is centralized decision making? Okay, the option A, decision making through a small group of senior executive, and the option B, decision making through a large group of senior executive. Third option, decision making is strictly employees decision. The fourth option is decision made through consumers. Okay, so this is a quiz question, and thanks for listening this session.